Right, first thing is I'm going to use this knife to remove the spacer, which hopefully I'll be able to clean up and reuse. It'll also allow me to get rid of all the little pieces of cone that are left over. I've just found a couple of different types of paper in the office room. One is a fine resume paper and the other is parchment paper. So I'm going to try these two. I don't know whether it should be slightly thicker or what. This feels pretty good, this fine resume paper. Here we go, I've cut this trial one out with a pair of scissors. Just used compasses and now I've cut it out. It looks a lot like a Pac-Man. Right, there's the rough fit, and now what I'm going to do is put some fix-all glue around the middle and down this line. In fact, I've changed my mind. I'm going to use this turbo tacky glue instead because I probably need to remove this and make another one for it. So using something that's a bit less solid and permanent is a good idea. This is more of a white glue. Right, instead of putting the ridges on the cone, like this one's got plenty of, what I'm going to use is, well, I haven't got any rubber, so I'm going to use this packing material. It's rather soft but quite thick, and I'm going to cut out with the compass there a circle around, put that underneath the cone and glue it with this glue again. So that will enable the suspension that will be needed with the movement of the cone. What I'll do now is feed that piece underneath by lifting the cone up, which I've now let the glue dry. Lift the cone up, feed it around underneath there with glue on the top and bottom sides of it, and then that'll give the cushioning that's needed. Okay, I'll leave everything to dry and then I'll put this top piece back on and it should give a nice finish to it. To finish it off, I'm going to use some of this screen from a door and make a grill from it. And now I'll spray it with this brown to give it a retro look again. And now I'll lightly glue it around the edges to finish things. Right, so I've attached it to this synth which I'm building. It might become a video in itself, this, depending on how it turns out. But it's got wooden side cheeks, it's in the 1970s kind of a style, and so therefore a 1970s kind of speaker suits it. So we'll see what it sounds like. Yeah. Crank the volume. Yes, I'm quite happy with that. So there we go, it's probably suited some kind of antique radio build, which I'll probably do, but it does work, so I'm pleased with that. Thanks for watching.